This video is a short introduction to the Jisc-funded project Eat-Pdp, engaging alumni through personal development planning. The project is based on the Mahara portfolio platform, branded as MyFolio at the University of Kent and available to all staff and students. Our project team recognise the value of the information our undergraduates store in MyFolio, such as their achievements, ambitions and reflections, which all serve to build evidence to support their learning and progression. Our particular interest is how this information could be repurposed by the student to generate more value, and whether we can encourage students to continue the process after graduation.
Evidence shows that employers looking to recruit are interested in more than qualifications. MyFolio presents an opportunity for Kent graduates to showcase their skills and experience alongside their academic qualifications, thereby enhancing employability. Our students have told us that they recognise the value gained through engaging with PDP throughout their time at Kent. They've also expressed an interest in continuing the PDP process beyond graduation and see this as an important element of lifelong learning.
The project explored our capacity to support the proposed rollout of this service to alumni, a new departure for the university. In addition, we gave careful consideration to the potential impact of these changes, as they will provide a new channel of communication under the Kent brand between our students, alumni and the outside world. To support this service and incentivise engagement, we developed technical enhancements to the Mahara platform to allow the sharing of student information under their own control to their chosen audience. The main technical deliverable is our student catalogue mechanism, a plugin which will make available to the wider community.
The student catalogue consists of a Mahara plugin and a Google search appliance front end. We'll demonstrate how it works, starting with the student experience. To aid the discovery process and give consistency, we have added two screens to the content area of Mahara. Course details currently allows the user to choose their course from a drop-down and enter their date of graduation. In the production version of the catalogue, we will link to this data in the student data system based on the user login. As this data is likely to be used elsewhere in Mahara, we have separated it from the next screen. This screen encourages the user to add details which our Careers and Employability Service have suggested would be of most relevance to prospective employers. If we now turn to the portfolio section of Mahara, you will see that we have added the student catalogue to the list of pages. This page is edited by the user in the normal way to add and arrange previously created artifacts, but also automatically pulls in the data from the two screens we just looked at. An important feature to notice is the Make Page Private, Allow Public Access toggle. In the production version of the student catalogue, this will trigger a pop-up reminding the user of some of the implications of making their data public and discoverable. From the point of view of, for example, an employer looking for an employee or intern with a particular set of skills and qualifications, we will now look at the search end of the catalogue. We have configured a Google search appliance front end which allows the user to enter search terms into a familiar Google search page and obtain a page of faceted results from Mahara at the University of Kent. The user can then drill down and see an individual's student catalogue page as displayed.
Whilst we've been looking at ways to use MyFolio for other purposes, we were conscious to ensure we not only preserve the PDP focus, but actively promote its importance to employability and lifelong learning. In an effort to ensure this is the case, we've been working closely with Kent's Unit for the Enhancement of Learning and Teaching, Alumni Relations Office and Careers and Employability Service. One of the aims of the Eat-Pdp project has been to facilitate these relationships and encourage the group to collectively guide the project. The Eat-Pdp project preempted the attention MyFolio is now attracting regarding employability and the key role it's set to play. The project team has built a good resource of supporting studies, which will help us to respond to the challenging questions we face when introducing a new service. In addition to the commitment from our internal project partners, there is also senior level support for the use of MyFolio as part of our employability strategy.
If this short presentation has sparked an interest in the Eat-Pdp project, please visit our blog, where you can find links to supporting documents and more discussion around the points we have mentioned in this video. We would also encourage you to check out the Jisc Relationship Management Programme website. Thanks are due to all who have supported, helped and encouraged us throughout the project. Alongside internal partners already mentioned, we'd also like to thank our critical friend Peter Kowalek, our cluster colleagues at Cardiff Metropolitan University and the University of Glasgow, and all the Jisc support team.